What's up? Look at this place. That stairway. And look at this elevator. It's an old OTIS. Birdcaged OTIS. Look at this cab. It's slightly been upgraded. They've enclosed with netting, but they left a lot of it open instead of firewalling it. But yeah, this was I think this was a capital mod, but it's very tastefully done. Listen to this motor. Those are the original doors. We'll end the video down here because there's a nice surprise. But let's take a ride up to 4. Innovation universe. See if we can watch the calendars go by. There it is. Whoa.
I never even realized that.
Yeah.
It's cool.
I apologize in advance if this is shaky camera work, but I'll try to get a view up here.
Oh yeah, the one time I did get stuck in here, this shit really gone awful. Because I have my dog in here too.
Let me just look out here real quick. Look at that. Look how it's like inside of the original grating.
Mm-hmm.
This is it's hinged, so it looks like this opens actually.
Yeah, it's hinged, but I think it's just old hinges or something. I don't think it's like functional. It's open it up and it doesn't do anything.
GAL. Door equipment's all been replaced. See if we can get a better view out here. Oh yeah, this is a lot better. Two beeps. Interesting. Yeah, look at this. These are the original doors from all the floors. Basic elevator door down here. The real treat is over here though. Look at this. This is the original winding drum machine for this elevator. They preserved it and put it in this glass box. Look at that. There's the old flyball governor. Here's some more original door. And there's the original counterweight right there. Very cool what they did to this place. Look at that simple controller. And this is the basement. So yeah, definitely a very, very cool historic building. And that right there is the actual machine room now. Yeah. That'll be it.